Good day and welcome again to another 8downloads.com software preview, and this is Chris. This is a continuation of the PDF split and merge video, and today we are going to answer the second question. Now, how can we split a PDF file into two? Or probably a merged PDF into two. So if you will see on my last video, we tend to merge a file. Now this time, we are going to split that file. So what we're going to do is go to the documents and we have to find the merge document. There you go. Open. Now we have choices here. We can burst, split into single pages, or split after these pages. Now what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and select burst because that's the easiest way to do. And then you can either rename this, but right now I rename this as split underscore, so that it would split the pages into two with numbers. Of course, you can even experiment with this one, guys. Depends on you. So I encourage you to download this program and try this at home. This is safe actually. So let's run it now, and it's already done. So I'm here with my documents now, and let's see if I have the split. Let's refresh first. Okay, so I think it should be here somewhere. There you go. So it's split merge, split merge. So if I go on with the first page, then it should contain the Bing, okay? And then the second PDF should contain the God is Coming song. So there you have it. So this is Chris, and saying thanks to all. And I do encourage you to download this split and merge, PDF split and merge on 8downloads.com. Thank you for viewing this video and have a great day.